If you have this iron Bluetooth rocker stereo system, or speaker system, and it has been a while that you have never changed the battery, so what happens is the battery goes bad. It's a lead acid battery, and over time, so this is now 7 years old, and the battery wouldn't charge anymore. So it would not hold any charge. So this video will show you how to change the battery and which battery you need. So I'm going to show you the model number here, and there is the model number and on the side. So the battery compartment is on the other side, and you have to remove these 6 screws, and you can use any of those hex screwdrivers. Once you have taken off the bolts, I usually just use one of the bolts to open up this compartment here, and inside you will see the battery. It might be a little tricky to take it out, so I just use a flat head screwdriver, and you can make it come out by pushing in and out. Or if you want to try that, I'll try the screwdriver first and try to take it out from the bottom a little bit, and if possible. So this is the tricky part, is to take it out once. And the other thing you can do is shake it with the door towards the bottom, and it might drop off. Yeah, once I'm able to get it a little bit out, I can pull it, and you should be careful about the 2 leads here, and just remove the leads from the battery. It's a little tight with one hand, but yeah. Here I have a replacement here online called Mighty Max. So here's the replacement battery I have. It's model 712. It's a 12 volt 7.2 amps. So these batteries, you will see that they come in different sizes and amperes. So this one takes a 7 amps. There are 5 amps and 9 amps also. So just they're in different sizes. And this one has the so I'll take these tabs out. It's the same thing with the blue going to the blue and the red going to the red. I'll use both hands to put those in. Here I put it in. It went in really tight, so the next time I have to change it, it will be probably very difficult to get it out. So it just fits very snug. I wish they had made it a little bit with a little bit of free play, but probably just that it doesn't rattle in there. So now I'm going to put the cover back on, and I will screw it in. So once I replace the battery, I'm going to charge it, let it charge for a few hours at least. At least it is now holding the charge. If I remove the charging port or the connection, you can see it is still holding the full battery level, and I have not even charged it since I got the new battery. So I will let it charge, and with the old battery I have to recycle it. Just make sure that you take it to a recycling place where it can be either in your neighborhood, county, or even places where they sell the lead acid batteries. They should be able to recycle it. So this don't go into the trash can. This one has lead in it. Hope this helps. And if you have any questions, put a comment in there and I will try to answer your any problems you might face. Hope you like the video, and you can click on the like button or subscribe to my channel. There are other do it yourself videos on my channel, including home repairs, HVAC, and also some car repairs.